This bitch.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
We're here to save you. Calm down.
What do you fucking mean save me? I am perfectly. Get the fuck away from me. Put the fucking guns down or I'm finna pull the grenade.
Alright, drop your guns.
Oh, I just pulled the grenade. Oh, you better stay away. Who the fuck threw that plastic? I will stab you. Skiss, 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 save the turtle. Praise Allah.